Hello everyone and welcome to YmY Sewing Corner, where today I'm going to be showing you how I made my Miku custom. So here's the fabrics that I have, and I cut them out into the shape of Miku's outfit, which is just really a shirt without sleeves and a collar for the top, and for the bottom is just a really pleated skirt. If you guys really like this outfit, I'd be more than happy to make a separate video with the measurements on all the patterns and just, you know, a more in-depth detailing on how I made her custom. So after lining it with vinyl, folded all the pieces together and sewed them. Same with the collar. Then I added Velcro to the sleeves and skirt, and vinyl is so satisfying to pull off. Then I pleated the skirt as tightly as I could, ironing every single pleat so it's extra pleated. The final skirt result, cute. And this is what we got so far after all the vinyl and things are sewn together. Now for the tie, I literally just tied a piece of my silver fabric into a knot and then cut it into a tie shape. And then used fabric paint that matched Miku's vinyl color and just the normal color of her outfit. And just lathered it on there. Same with the belt, I used a white piece of leather, mixed two varieties of fabric paint, one glitter and one black. And then I did little triangles on the belt. Then for the final touch to attach the belt to the skirt, I added little metal hoops to clip onto each end of her skirt. Now we have the armbands. Now that they're sewn up, I've fabric painted the little Vocaloid music notes, and here we go. And here's most of it together. Ooh, so cute. Here's Sona, Miku's room. She's cosplaying as Miku, for anyone who's wondering. She got her new guitar. She's rocking out. I gotta say, she looks absolutely adorable. If you like this Miku custom and want to see more on it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you!